everybody, today I'm making a video, remember, part 2 of slime. Playing with slime. People never make part 2s, but I like to. And it's not my fault, I like doing it. Okay, so my brother showed up. He said, hey, it makes spreading noise, and I'm sorry if you're a grown-up. I'm going to talk while I'm playing with this, so let's try to chop this down the tank. So I'm sorry if I said fart noises. I'm not trying to be rude, but yeah. My brother said I totally ruined this slime, and that is true. But I don't care because it's still fun to play with, and it's actually not interesting. Well, I think it is a little bit now, because this is my second time. What? Okay. I was watching Alvin and the Chipmunks, but the kid kind. You should see it on Netflix. It's really good. Okay. I'm very weird, you think, but I'm actually not in real life. And, I actually, in videos, I'm actually really sweet and nice, but I'm actually really angry. I'm like, what did you do? Okay, I'm not like that. I'm nice, but if people get me angry, I can get them mad. I can get really mad. If you have seen Inside Out, I'm like anger. But I don't do bad stuff. I don't run away. I'm a good girl, probably. And look at my hands. And so my brother said that the slime is going everywhere. Okay, yeah, that is true. And I ruined the slime. I don't care. I just don't care. And you're saying, what, you like the slime? And the lighting's actually pretty bad. I just, made it lighter. And I always make accidents in YouTube videos. Yeah, I made a very funny video. Yeah, we made it 2 very, very bad videos. I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, so today's Sunday, really. It actually is. I already told you, but I know I'm weird. Oh my gosh, you sat on something. Okay, I'm gonna act normal like I usually do. Hey everybody, today okay, let's stop. That I make accidents, and I always make new ones. I actually don't go on my tone, and I'm actually sick, so you might hear me sniffling. And I'll be crazy. Okay. Ooh. Oh. This is so much on the edge. Okay, so I'm gonna grab all of this slime and put it in the tank. I know it's weird. Let's pretend it's a shark. The shark is coming closer and closer. The shark is getting all the bits. The shark is coming closer and closer. It's going to kill you and kill you. But if you have a knife, you will be saved from Elefanzo! Okay, that was very weird. Okay. So, Pookie, me, we actually can make very creepy laughs. I'll show you. Okay, that was the worst tone ever. Okay, I can't do it. Okay, I can't do it. Oh, I did it. I did it. Okay, so I actually, that creepy laugh was very creepy. It actually goes like this. Okay, I can't do it right now. It's because I sound like it sometimes too much. So, I'm just asking, but if you like Minecraft, then that's good, since I like Minecraft. If you have the girlfriend mod, cool. for Minecraft, and I can't really play. I don't really have a girlfriend since I have to get a nap. Don't be crazy. Okay, let's stop singing. Okay, this video is almost over. Okay, let's do something exploring and fun. Here comes the shark. Coming closer, 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 closer. Okay, let's stop. Woo! So, what would you do with this slime? Oh, I'm sorry, but if I didn't mention this, I might have already. It's the slime thing is not Plutoplasma. It's actually Pluto's plasma, or is it? Yeah, I think it's that. It's not actually that. Yeah. Oh, and just